Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm sitting in a parking lot in the middle of nowhere. I just want to put this quick little video out because I know it's going to help somebody. I got a brand new 2022 Ram 2500. It's got the Cummins. It's just the tradesman model. It didn't come with a brake controller. I mentioned that in a previous video. I called the dealership. They said, sure, it's $800, but we literally cannot get you one. I said, well, what do you mean? Like, I got to be able to tow safely. They didn't care. They didn't even give me an ETA. They said it's $800, but you know, you can put one in, or you can order it right now, but we do not know when it's coming in. So I said that's not acceptable. I went on Kijiji, found a $60 brake controller. It's the Reese. It's the Reese tow power, brake even, proportional brake controller. Yeah, so it's the Reese Power Tow. You know, it's just a pre-wired brake controller, real basic. I found this brand new in the box for $60 on Kijiji. It comes with a 4-pin pigtail. And this is where things got a little weird. I looked high and low. I called the dealership and I asked them, I said, you know, what is the story with the brake controllers? Like, I know the brake controller is supposed to go here. I know on my Ram 1500, it's, you know, pre-factory. The bighorns came with them. It's supposed to be here. So what I thought happened was on the back side, and this is what I thought this is what happened, and he confirmed, but the plug goes up and it plugs into the back of this. So when you take the dash apart and you pull this out, you take the brake controller and you plug it into the back side of this, but he's wrong. So, and it's a good thing, because when I found this 4-pin controller, I knew I had to find the pigtail, right? Because he told me I actually got to splice this into the truck, and I said, I'm not really comfortable doing that. So I went on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description. I don't know if I paid 30 or 40 bucks for this little adapter here, but it's a 4-pin adapter to a big giant, hopefully I can show you guys here. So right up here, I think you can see it. Now I ended up taking about 4 of these plugs apart, including, you know, one of these. That wasn't it. Keep looking, it's tucked way up in there. It's got some of this weird wrap stuff on it. And you sometimes got to take a knife. Yeah, this stuff here, foam. You take a knife, cut it off, pull it down, and you can just plug this adapter right in there. And then another thing he told me, which ended up being not true, which was good, is you don't have to bring the truck in to get programmed. Once you just plug it in, I just dialed my gain up to about, I don't know, I was towing at least 12,000 pounds of oak, and I was able to dial it up to about level 4, felt some good resistance, no check engine lights or nothing, and it worked out good. All right, so yeah, I just thought I would share that because I looked, this is a 22. I can't say it's the same for 21s or 20s. I don't know when the generation change happened. I think it was 21. It might be different for you, but if you can look up in there, find that plug. It's a square plug. I'll show you the Amazon link, and then you can just click that, and then you can see the other side of that. I could unplug it, but it's really basic. Just know the plug is up there. You got to find it, plug it in. For me, no issues with the programming and all that stuff. I literally saved, well, it was $800, and I think the hour labor included the programming. Hopefully, God. Yeah, like I saved $700. And I don't know if I'll screw that into the dash or not. It's a pretty long pigtail. I might be able to just kind of hang it on the passenger side and let it ride, because I will trade this thing in here probably in a few years. But anyways, if you got a 2022 or a newer Cummins, definitely subscribe. I'm going through the truck doing my thing with them. Also got the Eco Diesel, we got the Duramax still. Got the little farm, setting up my sawmill, additions done. Just busy as all hell. So if you're into watching me struggle, subscribe now. All right, see you later, take care.